we are introducing you to our new series, Health Fact. Welcome to the Factastic channel, your trusted source for evidence-based information and insights on all things health and wellness. Our mission is to provide you with accurate, up-to-date, easy-to-understand facts that can help you make informed decisions about your well-being. Here are 6 deadliest foods around the world. Number 1. Fugu in Japan. Fugu, also known as pufferfish, is a fish whose internal organs contain deadly amounts of poison called tetrodotoxin. It's a popular delicacy in Japan, but if prepared incorrectly, it will cause death. And there's no antidote to save anyone from this poisoning. A lethal dose of tetrodotoxin is smaller than the head of a pin, and a single fish has enough poison to kill 30 people. Japanese chefs must undergo years of training to obtain a fugu preparing license, but despite that, numerous people die every year from improperly prepared fugu. If you are in the mood to risk your life, the best option is to go to Shimonoseki, a city in western Japan where no fugu-related deaths have ever been reported. Number 2. Bullfrog in Namibia. While in France a popular delicacy is frog legs, then in Namibia it's a whole frog, and they are usually huge. The giant Namibian bullfrogs contain a poison known as oshiketakata, which can cause kidney failure and death. The only way to not get poisoned by eating it is to eat it, as locals call it, after the third rain, or when the frogs start croaking and breeding. And to be safe, it must be cooked in a pot lined with dry wood, which supposedly neutralizes the poison. Number 3. Ackee fruit in Jamaica. This one is a really delicious but dangerous treat. Unripe ackee contains a poison called hypoglycin, so the fruit must be fully ripe and allowed to open naturally on the tree. That's the only way to eat it safely. Ackee fruit will split wide open on its own when the fruit is ready to be picked. So never open an ackee fruit yourself, and only eat the cream-colored fleshy pulp around the seeds. Do not eat any of the pink flesh or the black seeds because they are highly toxic. Improper preparation of ackee fruit can cause serious illness, dubbed as the Jamaican vomiting sickness, which can lead to coma or death. Number 4. Sanakji in Korea. Not a lot of preparation is needed to serve sanakji, live baby octopus tentacles that are cut into pieces, seasoned, and served immediately. But that's exactly what makes it dangerous. People eat the tentacles while they are still moving on the plate, as each leg of an octopus has its own brain and can remain alive on its own. The risk is that the suction pads on the tentacles maintain suction even after the tentacles are severed, so diners must make sure to chew the tentacles. If they don't, the tentacles can stick to the mouth and throat and cause the customer to choke to death. Number 5. Apricot seed in Turkey. Even though apricots might seem like a nice and healthy snack, it contains poisons and toxins harmful to humans if eaten incorrectly. The rule is, don't ever eat the seeds. And it's not just apricots. Seeds of cherries, plums, peaches, almonds, and even apples contain cyanogenetic glycosides, which upon ingestion release hydrogen cyanide. Turkey is known for its large population of apricot trees, and unfortunately, a few have died after seed binges. Number 6. Starfruit in Southeast Asia. Just 100 ml of this fruit's juice is poisonous for people with bad kidneys. It contains neurotoxins that affect the brain and nerves. If you have healthy kidneys, have no fear. Your body will be able to filter out the neurotoxins. So always take care of what you eat, and make sure it's cooked properly to avoid any unwanted surprises. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.